You might remember a few months back, I posted a video about boosting survey engagement and reminders using Copilot. This week, I wanted to revisit the results of that survey. So first of all, when I came back into Microsoft Forms, it's been a little while, I noticed there was a new feature there saying, from Copilot, saying suggestions to improve your form. And it had a couple tips there on ways to boost engagement and responses, which is pretty cool. But this is not what I came in here for. I came in for the results. So I went to the view results page where you can see the graphical summaries like little graphs and word clouds. But really what I wanted to get into is the detailed information. So I went for the Excel export, and this is where you can get all that really valuable feedback and free text comments where people write their suggestions and thoughts. And if you've got a lot of data, that's typically hard to pass through. You've got to read a lot of different responses, and it's difficult to get a summary or a sentiment. So what I was easily able to do here was just pop open Copilot and say, hey, give me a summary of the feedback in this sheet. And it was able to read through and analyze all of the responses. And this was a survey around our outreach email templates for our sales and marketing teams. And I was able to go through and understand, hey, most of the feedback is very positive, it's very useful and relevant. However, some emails are considered too long. I could then take that and go one step further and ask Copilot, hey, based on the feedback, what are some recommendations for improvements based on the suggestions? And again, it was able to go through, have a read through the column and make some recommendations of areas for improvement. Now, of course, you can always copy and paste a feedback column out of a survey sheet into regular Copilot chat or other generative AI tools, but having it really right there in Excel is very convenient. And of course, it stays within your organization security as well. So it's not just convenient, but also secure and safe. So that's where I use Copilot this week. Let me know if you found it useful, and let me know in the comments if you've also tried this and had any luck or done some other similar things with Excel.